This is Xyvis here, making my first ever video tutorial, and this is going to be handling how to install Mytheria on Mac OS X. So for this tutorial, I am using the latest version of OS X called El Capitan and using version 10.11.2, so the second update on version El Capitan. And the hardware for this, I'm using a MacBook Pro 13-inch 2015 model with a 2.7 gigahertz Intel Core i5 processor. And although it doesn't say it, it is a 5th generation Broadwell chip. So just to make sure, you need to obviously have enough space for the installation. Mytheria takes just under a gigabyte of storage space, so as long as you have that much space free, you should be okay. Of course, that's just the mod pack itself. So let's start by going on the Mabicraft website. We'll go to the download mod pack section. Oh, there we go. You scroll on down, you'll see the system requirements. Like I said, I'm using 10.11.2, but as long as you're running a semi-recent version, no earlier than 10.7, you should be okay. The nice thing is with Macs, essentially if you have an Intel chip and you're running a version of 10.7 or later, you already have a 64-bit system. So you don't really need to worry about whether you're running 32-bit Java, 64-bit Java. The Macs actually already have Java pre-installed, so we really just need to install the JDK, and we should be good to go. If for some reason after installing the JDK, which there's a link to it right here, you have any issues, you can of course install the regular Java for Mac. So let's begin by downloading the JDK. I've already downloaded it, so you don't actually have to wait for my download to finish, but you'll need to click the Accept License Agreement button, and then here's OS X 64-bit. It's about 227 megabytes, so it's somewhat of a big download. Just double click that and install it just like you would any other application. And I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. Just click it right there. Double click this icon. Go through the little wizard. You'll need admin access. This should be just a moment. And there we go. So that's all done. Go ahead and eject this. Whoops, didn't mean to click that. Alright, so we have all that done. That's great. We're pretty much ready to run the game. The only thing left, we need the launcher. So let's go ahead and download the bootstrap file available on the website. Now, this bootstrap file doesn't really do much other than execute the launcher itself. So the first time, you'll get this little security message. It'll download the launcher and such, the latest version. Go away, CNN. And you should be good to go. You can click View Folder if you want to customize the installation a little bit by adding Optifine or any of the other client-side mods. If you want to actually access the directory it installs to the home folder. So to find your home folder, there's a couple different ways you can do it. I'll do it the most simple way. If you just go to Home right here, you'll notice just an L. That's the name of my home folder. So if we click Go to folder, that little squiggly line, can't remember what it's called, / and then period Mabicraft, that is the Mabicraft installation right there. Unfortunately, it's hidden, not purposely. That's just how OS X decided to handle files like this that work with Java. But anyways, if you ever want to delete it, there's the way to do it. Just select all these, go on over, delete it, you're good to go. After that, you just click Launch. If you haven't installed before, it will download, update everything. See, there's a little update right here. Looks like Britannia got updated. and it will start. Alright, other than that, getting started on OS 10 is pretty straightforward and easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope to see you on the server.